Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to crack JEE mains. So this is the biggest question everyone asks for. So even I have got so many responses like asking me, Akka, tell me how to prepare for JEE mains and share your own experiences. So by considering all the questions you guys asked me, I made this video. So this video is purely for you guys. So don't miss it out and just concentrate with me 5 to 10 minutes. Just give me a 5 to 10 minutes. So this video is really going to help you guys. Let's start.
ఎలానో వచ్చేసారుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసేయండి. అదిగో అక్కడే లైక్ ఉందిగా, లైక్ కూడా కొట్టి పడేయండి.
So first, what I have done is I have checked my level. What do I mean about this level? Let me explain you. Am I a good student or average student or good student? I have took these three things in my mind. So keeping these three things in my mind, I decided that I felt that yes, I'm an average student. So every student has different way of learning things. Yes, right? Good student can cope up easily. Average student needs some time. Poor student needs little bit more time. So we all have different way of planning. We all need different way of planning to crack mains. So let me easily explain you in this video what did I do. Okay, so as an average student, what did I do is first I have chosen some important topics, very important topics that are repeating from years. Like we have to take 3 or 4 years papers and we have to just go through thoroughly all these papers. So see, you should never confuse yourself. You have to be really calm at this stage. Concentrate and prepare well. See how means as an average student, I can't really solve those previous year papers. What? See, I definitely by seeing that paper will get scared off. So the first thing is you should not solve the papers. What you have to do is study the concepts. Study the concepts well. See, you should start in this way. First, I have chosen a subject which is my favorite and easiest. So for me, chemistry is the most favorite subject, and I used to get very good marks in my chemistry. So I have chosen chemistry first, and I started preparing on that, and it took really very less time for me. So after going thoroughly all the concepts, after studying thoroughly all the concepts, then I have started taking previous year papers and I have started solving them. So in that way, I actually enjoyed this process and I've got more confidence on me, and I thought that yes, I can easily do this. All you need is confidence. So you have to first build up your confidence levels. So I have taken previous year papers and I used to solve them very easily because I am actually thorough with the concepts, right? So that is the thing you have to do. So as an average student, this is how I prepared. So first I have taken chemistry and then I have went for math, because so for me maths is the second easiest subject. See, I'm going to tell you how. In maths we all have is adding, substituting and eliminating. Where we want values, we'll add the values. Where we want, we eliminate the things and we substitute the things. These are the easy things, and here we have all the choices, right? So we eliminate some things, we add some things and we substitute some things. So this is way we can easily solve the maths paper too if we have good basics. So please concentrate on your basics. And then the next thing is I have solved previous year's papers, and in our college they used to give us some volume books and I used to solve them too. And at one day I solved all my volume books and all previous year question papers very clearly, and I just got little bit more confidence. My things went so well. And coming to physics, this is the subject I don't like at all, to be frank. And also I feel little bit tough. Physics is little bit tough, and I can't I felt it very bad. I prepared. My mind was like, I just felt like some hammer is hitting on my head. Oh my god, I can't really study this physics. Why? Stop it. I just got so many mixed up feelings and I messed my physics exam too. And I just felt like, oh god, I'm going to mess up my physics exam. But only one thing I did is, yes, I have already completed my chemistry and mathematics. Now I have time. I can complete this physics. So what I did is I concentrated on the very, very, very easy concept, and I just gone through only those topics, and I have solved many, many papers on physics more than chemistry and mathematics. So yes, that helped me so much. So the exam day has come, and this is how, like this, I have done this much preparation, right? So what happened is, yes, I done my chemistry very well. First, after taking that paper, I started looking into that paper. I just opened chemistry and I started solving them easily. I have solved, there were 30 questions. I was with confidence, I have solved 26 questions, and I just left those 4 questions. Because without confidence we should not fill mains paper, because we can lose those 4 marks in that things, right? So I did not take chance, and I did not take chance at all. So I have wrote 26. I really got very good marks in chemistry too. And then I went for mathematics. Yes, I have used the same strategy I have told you last time. I mean, like a minute back, I have used the same strategy, and really I got successful in maths too. And I have opened physics paper. There the problem started again. I really went mad. Oh my god, what is this paper? I'm really not understanding, because from last 4 to 5 years the paper is getting tougher. So at my point of view, so I felt really hard. So what I did is, okay, calm down, let me search for the questions, what I have read, what I have prepared. So I have searched and started thinking about them deeply, and I just gave some time, I answered them finally. So even I have wrote that physics exam also well. After coming from the examination hall, I was okay with, until like I have some confidence level. And the next day, previous day, they released the key and I checked. So I was okay, happy only, because I have just done this whole thing in 1.5 months. That's it. So I just concentrated on basics very well. So I hope you guys will also do that same thing. Just concentrate on the basics very well. So that is going to really help you. So this is my journey. And okay, let me tell you how many marks I got. I have scored 169 marks with my own strategy, and I am really telling you, I did not follow any YouTube videos, nothing. I just solved the papers from previous years from internet. I have collected them from internet and just solved them. That's it. Nothing more I have done. So don't take much stress, yaar. Just concentrate on the topics what you know easily, and see, first start with your perfect points and then go for the weak points, because you understanding levels of your brain will keep on increasing, right? So that is really going to help you. So really thankful for you guys for listening about my stuff and asking about my stuff. This is how I have prepared. So don't take tense, be calm, be cool, just concentrate. You're going to crack it. This is my strategies. Thank you. And so this is my video for today. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, just don't forget to like it, subscribe, and give a share, so that other people also will get to know, right? An average student can do anything in just one attempt. Yes. Thank you. Tata.